Most people buying a pickup in 2026 are walking straight into a financial trap. You see the shiny chrome, the 15-inch touchscreens, and the best-in-class towing stickers. But behind the grille, manufacturers have been forced to use stressed engineering, smaller engines, higher boost, and complex electronics that are designed to fail the moment your warranty expires. But there are exactly 7 exceptions. Today, we aren't looking at which truck has the best massage seats. We are looking at which trucks will still be on the road in 2046. I have spent weeks analyzing the newest 2026 teardowns, long-term fleet data, and the secret service bulletins that dealerships don't want you to see. One truck on this list has a hidden engine update for 2026 that finally fixed a decade-long failure point. Another is a mid-size sleeper that outlasts the Tundra. And at the number 1 spot, it's the truck everyone told you to avoid in 2024. But in 2026, it has become the most bulletproof vehicle in North America. If you value your money, do not buy a truck until you see why number 3 is the actual holy grail of reliability. Before we hit number 7, we have to address the elephant in the room. Why is it so hard to find a reliable truck in 2026? We are currently living through the regulation squeeze. The EPA's 2026 emission standards are the strictest in history. To comply, brands like Ford, GM, and Ram have had to make a choice: go electric or overstress internal combustion. Most chose the latter. They've added twin turbos to everything, high-pressure fuel systems that operated 40,000 psi, and cylinder deactivation that essentially turns off parts of your engine while you drive. As a YouTube auto analyst, I've seen the data. In 2026, the average cost of a transmission replacement has hit $9,500. An engine swap, you're looking at $18,000. That is why reliability isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's an insurance policy against poverty. We are grading today's list on the Triple S standard: simplicity, fewer moving parts mean fewer failure points; stress tolerance, how the engine handles heat under a 10,000-pound load; and serviceability, can you fix it in your driveway or do you need a PhD in computer science?
Truck 7, 2026 Honda Ridgeline. At number 7 is the 2026 Honda Ridgeline, a truck that quietly wins with simplicity. It keeps the proven 3.5-liter naturally aspirated J35 V6, avoiding the complexity of turbocharged rivals. By 2026, the 9-speed transmission has been fully refined, eliminating earlier shift issues. Its unibody design also resists frame rust better than traditional body-on-frame trucks. Simple, durable, and capable of crossing 200,000 miles with proper maintenance.
Truck 6, 2026 Nissan Frontier. The 2026 Nissan Frontier stays old school in the best way. Its 3.8-liter naturally aspirated V6 has been on the road since 2020, meaning 6 years of real-world refinement. No turbos, no hybrid systems, just a solid, fully boxed frame and upgraded 2026 cooling components. It's built for buyers who want low maintenance costs and long-term durability without tech overload.
Truck 5, 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500 3.0-liter Duramax. This is the only diesel half-ton on the list. The 3.0-liter inline-6 Duramax is naturally balanced, producing less vibration and long-term wear than most V engines. For 2026, GM strengthened the oil pump belt and extended its service life to 200,000 miles. Maintain it properly with high-quality diesel, and this engine has serious high-mileage potential.
Truck 4, 2026 Ford F-150 5.0-liter Coyote V8. If you want reliability in a 2026 F-150, choose the 5.0-liter naturally aspirated Coyote V8. It uses dual injection, preventing carbon buildup that plagues many direct injection engines. Ford also simplified the electrical system for 2026, reducing potential failure points. In the right configuration, this is one of the most durable half-ton setups available. Truck 2, 2026 Ram 2500 with the 6.7-liter Cummins is built for the long haul. The major upgrade is the switch to the Bosch CP8 fuel pump, eliminating the previous weak point. With massive torque at low RPM, a cast-iron head, and a solid front axle, this truck is engineered for heavy-duty longevity, often measured in decades, not years.
Truck 2, 2026 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid. After early criticism of the new generation, the 2026 Tacoma feels fully matured. Toyota refined the hybrid software and strengthened the turbo components. The cooling system is overbuilt, and the hybrid battery remains small and relatively affordable to replace. By 2026, the Tacoma delivers both modern performance and traditional Toyota durability.
Truck 1, 2026 Toyota Tundra Non-Hybrid. At the top is the 2026 Toyota Tundra Non-Hybrid. Following earlier engine issues, Toyota tightened its production standards significantly. The twin-turbo V6, without the added complexity of the hybrid system, offers a cleaner long-term ownership path. Paired with a proven 10-speed transmission and maintained with regular 5,000-mile oil changes, this truck is built to surpass 300,000 miles with confidence.
You now have the list, but I have to give you a YouTube expert warning. In 2026, a reliable truck can still be ruined by a bad owner. Modern trucks use 0W20 or 0W16 oil. It's basically water. It's designed for fuel economy, not protection. If you are towing or live in a hot climate, talk to your mechanic about switching to a slightly heavier weight once your warranty is up. Also, watch out for the infotainment trap. In 2026, many trucks are bricked by bad over-the-air software updates. Always choose the truck with physical climate controls, like the Frontier and the Tundra SR5. If your screen dies, you still want to be able to defrost your windshield. Buying a truck in 2026 is a $60,000 decision. Don't let a cool commercial talk you into a 5-year mistake. If you want a daily driver, Ridgeline. If you want an off-road beast, Tacoma. If you want to pull the moon, Ram 2500. If you want the absolute best overall, Toyota Tundra. Closing. I want to hear from you. Did I miss a truck? Or do you think I'm being too easy on Toyota? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if this video saved you from a $10,000 repair bill, hit that like button and subscribe.